Welcome back to the ultimate dream on wheels, the Ferrari double-floor motorhome 2026. I'm Alexa, guiding your luxury fantasy. Open road exhilaration meets opulent sanctuary. Inch SF90-inspired alloys, P0 tires conquer 150 miles per hour. Solar awnings unfurl, deploying 100 square feet shaded. Teak warms your feet. Gesture ignites fire pit. 5 kilowatt solar powers endless off-grid bliss. Devours a huracan or bikes effortlessly. Hydraulics lift, biometrics secure. Your eye is the key. Touch panels birth LED-lit awnings sync to playlists. Wind sensors stabilize. This beast breathes with you. Milan-esque foyer, heated marble etched with prancing horses. 17-inch curved OLEDs. Elara AI reads your desires, plotting adventures intuitively. Elara, coastal run. Holograms dance on glass. Alcantara bolsters massage deep. Rejuvenate mode erases miles. Brilliance. Starlight LEDs over quartz. 12-second brews, zoned heat cooks eggs flawlessly. Expands to 8 with haptics for play. Table charges all. Fridge chills caviar to perfection. Vacuum drawers, milliliter pours for Prosecco. Lavender diffusers scent the air. Culinary poetry in motion. 20 feet of bedroom, lounge, and boundless sky intimacy. Magnetic king platform. Auto temp Egyptian cotton. Touch for sanctuary. Electrochromic dome shifts clear to black. Your world, sealed in elegant isolation. Infinity rain with hydroblasts, misted scents. Spa mode, waves crash, warmth revives every sense. Touchless AR guides beauty rituals. Odorless composting throne, cedar towels, luxury gesture births ashless flames, ambient glow. Bar cart rails in, chill 50 bottles cryogenically pure. Robotics shake to your beat, martini precision. Guest queens flank with fold-out desks for work whispers. Starlit views, silence pods for secrets. Hydraulics summon rooftop. 300 feet of decked euphoria. Power awakens. 800 horsepower twin-turbo hybrid. 4.2 seconds 0 to 60 with a heavy-duty luxury feather. Air dances over craters, razor turns. AI learns your edge, tows 15,000 pounds like a feather.
Air dances over craters, razor turns. AI
feather. Lift 12 inches for off-road clearance, conquers 30-degree climbs. Adaptive tires think for themselves, this is untamed victory. Own it. 2.95M base hybrid launches dreams. 3.8M soul-deep investment. Journeys forge golden tales. Unchain tomorrow in this rolling